Hello everyone, this video will cover a small but important fix for a common issue with MacBook Air 2022. I've seen this problem being discussed in various chat groups and wanted to clear it up. It's about what happens when you replace the screen and suddenly the battery doesn't work anymore. So it won't charge, it won't work from the battery, but you will still see the percentage. This is some sort of the classic design problem on this device. Let's take a closer look. So here we have the display connector, and the camera connector. Behind the camera connector there's a small resistor which is very easy to break. If you put spudger like that, or if you put tweezers, you will most likely accidentally tear it from the board. Once you do it, your battery will not be recognized anymore. So that's basically the reason for this fault. So let's take a closer look to the board view and schematics. And I will explain a little bit so how exactly it causes the problem. So this part of the circuit called system detect circuit. This resistor we knocked off is 0 ohm resistor which connects the source of these MOSFETs to ground. The main purpose of this circuit is to keep the battery off until power is already present on board. So if you have serviced the machine, if you plugged the battery off and then on again, the device will remain off until you connect the charger. You connect the charger, you've got 3.8 volts always on power supply. It will turn on this transistor and it will connect system detect line to ground. The system detect line is placed here on the battery connector. It goes straight to the battery BMU, so battery management unit controller, which probes this pin and checks if the connector is plugged to the machine. Once it sees that it's on ground, it will turn on battery itself. This type of problem, so this type of routing here reminds me of Giraffe. So this is really the same reason why a giraffe can't really speak or use some advanced sounds to indicate anything. If you see, let's open it here. This is the exact reason why giraffes don't use sounds to communicate. They just hum and make some ambient noises, but they never really talk the way other animals communicate with each other, simply because, like us, they have their vocal nerve routed around the aorta, and because of the long neck they have a really long response time between the signal from the brain and the vocal muscles, which makes it impossible to produce any controlled quick sounds. So this is actually a very funny biological problem, like the routing problem, which is persistent for many millions of years, and it's most likely not solvable without completely rebuilding the whole body. So I hope it will be solved on later models. I hope it's solved on later models on MacBooks, because it's not that hard. Probably something went wrong during the design process. I don't think it was made on purpose. Maybe there was some linked component around that which was moved here and they simply overlooked this simple line. So this is a really vulnerable spot on the MacBook, and this is how exactly it happens. So you have MacBook Air 2681 with no charging after you replace the screen, or if you service anything like removing the screen connector and the camera connector nearby, then check this resistor. Most likely it will solve your battery problem. Thanks for watching.